everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Smart Online Income. This video is about cat airdrops. Cat airdrop is ongoing. The distribution has started. Those that will use Bybit to withdraw their cat have started receiving their cats, and those of us that use Bybit, we are yet to see or receive. So in case you use Bybit, I just want to demonstrate how you can locate your cat in a simple form. So let's go to Assets. You click Assets. Either you look for it in funding or unified trading. Bybit might decide to drop it in unified trading because when they drop it, normally it ought to be in funding. Many people find it difficult in transferring their fund from funding to unified trading. But nevertheless, you can look for it in any of them. So let's start with funding. You go to funding, you click, you type in, sorry, not this, okay, you go to this place, type the search button, type cat, okay, this is mine, it is not yet a drop. So let's go back to unified trading. The same thing, click the search button here, let's click it and type cats. It's not yet a drop. So this is how to locate your cat. The moment you see your cat a drop, it means you can trade it when it is listed. So since we have yet to receive it, I believe very soon we will start seeing it in our account. And if this is your first time of seeing my video, kindly subscribe and click the bell button to receive notification whenever I drop a new video or any update concerning cats or any other project. Like and share this video for others to get the information as